Hey y'all, today we're making a jalapeno popper dip. You're gonna want to check this one out. Get you some of that. Okay, so we're gonna get started here on our jalapeno popper dip. We got 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. We're gonna add to the bowl. We're gonna add in a 1/2 cup of sour cream. That's gonna be about 4 ounces, which is about half of that. And then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of mayo. Use your favorite. I think today we're using Hellmann's. And then I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of Malcolm's Euro Hero, which is his jalapeno Greek seasoning. We're gonna add in a teaspoon of that. And we're gonna add in a 1/2 teaspoon of just garlic powder. We're gonna combine all this together using our mixer. Okay, so now we're going to just fold in the rest of our ingredients. You can see we have everything blended smooth there. We have 2 finely diced fresh jalapenos that I removed the seeds on. We're going to add about 1 1/2 to the mixture at this point, and we're going to save the rest for garnish. So we're just going to spread this over here. We got 6 slices of bacon that we chopped up. That's going in. And then 2 green onions that we sliced. We're gonna add about 1 1/2 of these and use what's left, the other half, for garnish. So we're just gonna fold all this. Just start getting it mixed. And now we have 16 ounces of creamy, it's a Mexican blend style cheese. We're going in with that. So put both these bags in there. We're going to fold this in. This may take a little bit of time, but you want to make sure everything's evenly distributed throughout. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put our mixture in our greased cast iron pan here. I just sprayed it with a little cooking spray. Whoa! Whoa, doggy. We're going to spread this around in here. We got our RecTech RT700 running at 375. We're going to cook this until it's nice and bubbly and all melted. Probably for about 30-35 minutes. So we're just going to give this a good spread. Try to get it as even as possible. Take it outside and get this thing put in RecTech. Okay, so we have our RecTech running at 375. We're going to set this pan right in the center, and we're going to give it about 30-35 minutes. We're going to come check it, but I'm guessing it's probably going to be pretty close to being done. This is going to be some amazing dip. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay, we're checking on this. You can see we're about 30 minutes in right now. It is getting nice and bubbly. I think we're actually going to give it about 5 more minutes. Let this brown just a little bit more. But you can tell it's looking good. It smells wonderful. We'll give it 5 minutes. We're going to take it inside, let it cool a little bit, and give it a try. Looks good. Okay, so we're about 35 minutes in. We let this brown up a little bit more. We're going to go ahead and pull it off. You can tell it's nice and bubbly. We're going to take it inside. We're going to garnish the top of it, and then we're going to let it cool for a few minutes before we try it. Okay, so for the remaining jalapenos and the green onions we have here, we're just going to garnish the top of this. And if you don't want to add any more heat, if you don't want to add any more jalapenos, you don't have to do this. Just trying to make it look pretty. Continue to let this cool. It's extremely hot. Want it to stiffen up just a little bit. But we're going to let this sit for about 5-10 more minutes. We're going to give it a try. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try our jalapeno popper dip. We're going to use Tostitos today. If you wanted to use some celery, probably even carrots, some pita bread, anything will really work to dip it in. We're going to go ahead and just use some Tostito scoops. See how this, oh yeah, it's nice and gooey. Smells amazing. Ooh. Really hot. Nice and creamy though. Great flavor. Getting a little back end heat from that jalapeno, but it's not awful. Really good flavor, really good taste. Super easy dip to make. Give this recipe a try. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Get you some.